Hey, what's up? It's Parth again. In today's episode, we are going to learn some interesting AI services provided by SAP. AI is no longer the future, it's the present. Lots of enterprise businesses are already using AI to automate their existing business complex processes with much higher accuracy of data processing, saving lots of manual effort, time, eventually saves lots of cost and increased revenues. Here, if you want to get benefit out of this AI power for your enterprise businesses, you can utilize SAP's new offering called SAP AI Business Services. Wait. Now you might be thinking, to implement this AI in your businesses, you would need heavily paid data scientists or AI experts. But the reality is, you don't need those respectful resources. SAP has already done the heavy lifting job for you. You will get the pre-trained machine learning model for your businesses as part of the AI business service offering. Your development team can easily consume those services in form of APIs and build end-to-end solution to automate your businesses. On top of that, based on your business use cases, you can even retrain the machine learning model or enrich the pre-trained model with your own master data set. Even for this retraining or model enrichment, you don't need machine learning experience. Here also cloud platform microservices and API knowledge will suffice. But always, there will be advantages if you know the machine learning processes behind the scene. For that, you can follow my existing YouTube video on machine learning in 10 minutes. So before going into the further details of how to use this SAP AI business services in your architecture or development, first let me highlight what are those AI services. First of all, this document information extraction service. Using this service, you can eliminate all the error-prone manual invoice document processing, where it takes lots of manual effort as well. This is a pre-trained machine learning service provided by SAP, where in this API, you can pass your unstructured PDF or scanned invoice documents to get extract of different headers and line item values in JSON format, like vendor details, invoice number, tax information, line item details, and so on. After getting the unstructured invoice detail in structured JSON format, you can then post it in your backend system. Then document classification. With using this service, you can reduce all the manual effort by categorizing different documents coming to your mailbox or even in your emails. Like, you can easily categorize invoice document, dunning letters, or sales order documents. Then comes the business entity recognition service. With this service, you can extract different business name entity values. Like, if you are getting sales order related queries, now you don't have to open and analyze each and every of your email. But this machine learning capability can automate the process of reading your email and extract all the business entities that you have custom retrained. Like, it will automatically detect the sales order number, customer number, date of order, and so on. And based on that detected structured business entities details, you can then automate relevant subsequent processes. Then service ticket intelligence. With using this service, you can classify different service ticket getting generated in your system and automate the service ticket assignment and subsequent processes. Then comes data attribute recommendation. If you want to automate different master data management, like in posting with different pre-populated values, this service goes for you. Then invoice object recommendation. This recommendation service will help you to populate dependent invoice business object for posting. Like, it can recommend the GL account for different vendor invoices, which will eventually helps the account payable team to clear payments without having any manual hassles. Then recommendation services. This service can be used in various sectors for different kind of recommendations. Like in HR, you can use this service for learning recommendation. In e-commerce, you can use this for product recommendation. Like in Amazon, product recommendation, or Netflix, movie recommendation. You can use those AI business services in your ECC S/4HANA Business Suite, SAP, non-SAP, cloud, on-prem, and literally anywhere you want. All you need is SAP Cloud Platform Enterprise Agreement. Thank you.